Welcome back to AutoX Garage fam. This isn't just another refresh. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 opens a bold new chapter for one of the world's best-selling compact SUVs. For the first time ever, Toyota is saying goodbye to pure gasoline models. Every version of the RAV4 will now come as either a hybrid or a plug-in hybrid, a clear signal of Toyota's commitment to performance, efficiency, and the electrified future. Before we move further, let's set a quick challenge. Can we smash 500 likes on this video? Trust me, you'll want to watch till the end, because what Toyota has done with the all-new 2026 RAV4 is nothing short of a game-changer. Pricing starts around $34,000 in the US for the standard hybrid, climbing to about $51,000 for top trims packed with advanced features. Toyota hasn't revealed all the trim details yet, but more info will be out as we get closer to the official launch at the end of 2025. Now, let's talk powertrains. The hybrid RAV4 pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors, producing 226 horsepower in front-wheel drive. If you want more traction, AWD adds a third motor on the rear axle, raising output to 236 horsepower. But if you're craving more punch, the plug-in hybrid delivers 320 horsepower, standard AWD, and up to 50 miles of pure electric range, making it perfect for daily commutes without touching fuel. Toyota is also expanding the lineup with trims tailored to different lifestyles. The new Woodland Edition is aimed at adventure seekers, featuring increased ground clearance, rugged tires, and off-road enhancements. Meanwhile, the GR Sport trim, tuned by Toyota Gazoo Racing, is for thrill seekers. It comes with sportier suspension, sharper steering, and summer performance tires. Depending on the version, towing ranges from 1,750 pounds to 3,500 pounds, giving the RAV4 plenty of utility. And yes, the plug-in hybrid supports DC fast charging, with certain trims charging from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Step inside, and you'll see Toyota blending rugged practicality with modern comfort. The dashboard is tough yet refined, paired with a redesigned center console adding more storage space. Some trims even replace the traditional gear lever with a compact toggle shifter. Seating is generous in both rows, cargo remains versatile, and upholstery ranges from simple cloth to premium faux leather. Sportier trims like XSE and GR Sport spice things up with faux suede and bold red stitching. Technology is where the RAV4 really shines. Every model comes with a 10.5-inch touchscreen featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims step it up to a 12.9-inch display with dual phone connectivity. A 12.3-inch digital cluster is now standard, while premium versions can add a head-up display. And if you love music, you can upgrade to a 9-speaker JBL system for immersive sound. The bottom line, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 is more than just an update, it's a statement. Electrified power, rugged design, versatile trims, and upgraded tech make this one of the most forward-thinking SUVs in its class. So what do you think? Is the RAV4 still the king of compact SUVs? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to AutoX Garage. More futuristic rides are on the way, stay tuned.